In our office, we are really proud to offer the latest and best dental materials that are available. All ceramic restorations, porcelain restorations are the most natural looking crowns, bridges, veneers that are available. Whether it's a single crown that a patient has or a complete bridge, something that's cemented onto their teeth, all ceramic materials really look natural and these days are very, very strong. They help to eliminate the black line or gray line that a patient may have under a crown. Because they're ceramic, there's no metal, they're not opaque looking, and they can be made to look just like a natural tooth. Other porcelain restorations include porcelain veneers, which are thin shells of porcelain which can be bonded to the front of a tooth to make the tooth longer, whiter, change the shape, do almost anything that we want to, and really, really beautify a smile.